Alright, so in this video we are going to learn how to install Python. It's pretty simple. So you want to go to your Google Chrome or whatever browser and you type Python, downloads. It's going to take you to this link that you are going to click on. And here you can see download Python 3.12. At the time of this video, it's 3.12, but there may be later version release. So whatever version you will see here is what you need to download. I'm gonna hit this button. It's gonna take me to the downloads folder. It's downloading already, but I already have that installed. Let me take you to my download folder. From the download folder, once it's installed, I hit a double click on this exe file. It's going to take you to this dialog box. Now, it's important that you select add Python exe to path because it will make things way easier for you. Do not select custom installation. Just let Python download it to the regular path you used to. So you want to click install now, and it's gonna take you here. You're gonna hit yes, and from yes, I'm not gonna download it because I already have it on my computer. So I'm gonna hit cancel. But once it's downloaded, you should be able to see, if you go to the search window, you should be able to see, if you type Python, you should be able to see your latest version of Python installed. And from there, you can launch the interpreter and start writing codes, right? So if I do print Oscar, let me put that in quotes, I should be able to have that. So whatever code you want to write, you can already write these from the interpreter, but you need an IDE, and Visual Studio Code is the IDE that I would recommend. There's no pressure on whatever IDE you want to use, but Visual Studio Code is what I recommend. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next lesson.